How to add more than one link to your Instagram profile. Let's go. I'll show you how to do it easily. I'll start by clicking here on the profile picture. As you can see, there's already a link on this Instagram account. So what do I do to add more links? I'll click here on the edit profile option and the profile settings will appear. Here you'll already find the links option. You can click on it. Notice that there's already a link set up on this account, as I mentioned. To add another link, just click here on this plus or add link button. It's really simple. Here you'll enter the URL, that is the link you want to add. For example, if I want to add YouTube here or any other website, just type it in. Once you've typed it, you can add a title. I'll put YouTube here just as an example. After entering the link and the title, just click this icon here and that's it. I've just added another link here to the Instagram profile. Want to add another one? Just click here on add link. It's really simple and follow the same steps, okay? You can add as many links as you want. If I go back here, I'll go back to show you that on my profile, a main link already appears, which was the first link added, and a more option. By clicking here, people can see the list of links that are on this account, okay? So that's it. I hope I helped those who wanted to know how to add more than one link to their Instagram profile. If I helped you, don't forget to help me too. Subscribe to the channel.